instructor for 22 years, and I realized that most foam blocks are not stable enough for the majority of yoga that goes on now. So I created Yegos. And what are Yegos? Yegos are magnetically interlocking yoga blocks. So these little holes have magnets in them, and you can like stack and create whatever kind of yoga design you have or would need for your practice. So what I've got today is this setup, which is a half block, a full block, and a full-size wedge. If you ordered something else, you can mix and match these. You can do 2 blocks with a wedge. I really like the wedge because the wedge is angled at your foot. And then as you become more and more experienced, you could even go down to just a half block or just a wedge itself. But I am going to show you what you do with this. Now, because I have baseboard, this is going to rock back just a little bit. Less baseboard, less it'll rock back. That's one of the reasons why I do like this one. This one doesn't rock back as much. Either way, you're good. All right. So expect it to rock back just a hair. We were talking about the ability to get into this down dog and start working up onto the wall. I like using this because now you can start to feel what it really feels like to lift that leg up off the ground. Also, this is really great core work. So those of you who want to build up some core for lifting into your handstands, try this about 20 times on each side, right? So why I like this is some people feel like they have a hard time sticking to the wall, right? Like I did just previously in the video, and having this little prop will help greatly. So, and I'll use the other one just so that you can see even this little one, and works the same, right? And as you start to get accustomed, you can even start to add some like standing wall splits to help you really open that leg. Or now you feel a little more comfortable to come straight upright into your standing handstand L's. I hope that is a good little practice for you today. See you tomorrow.